Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today after a steep fall in last 5 trading sessions. Now the market is expected to bounce a little bit till the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern till at least 20 daily moving average, which is around 5700 levels. The momentum indicator is still on the sell side, but I'll be expecting a buy signal as soon as it reaches the previous swing low. And I'll be expecting the momentum indicator to come up till at least the zero line and then give a sell signal again, because the medium term outlook is still negative and we've been forming lower tops, lower bottom on the weekly charts. So a small bounce in the short term till 5700 and then again a sell off. On the hourly charts, we've been forming a ending diagonal pattern, a small ending pattern here, and I'll be expecting a good bounce from here. A momentum indicator has given a buy signal, and also a positive divergence has formed here on the hourly chart. So a good bounce till 5700 and then again a sell off. Bank Nifty again, it has been trading next to this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and now I'll be expecting it to bounce till the 20 or 40 daily moving average to form a shoulder again, where it has been forming 3 shoulders here, and I'll be expecting the same thing to happen here, a small consolidation, and that consolidation will be expected to break on the downside, but because the overall medium term outlook is negative. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal and also positive divergence on the daily charts. Here you can see a positive divergence on the daily charts because the previous swing low was a little higher, and this swing is a little lower than the previous one. But here the positive divergence has occurred where the swing lows have been different from each other. The present one is higher and the price pattern is lower. Cipla is expected to break out of this head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern. A flag pattern has also formed and has broken on the upside. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting a good rally on the upside for Cipla. Support would be around 387 and 377. Resistance would be around 409 and 420. Bharti has formed the ending diagonal pattern on the daily chart, which is very positive for the stock. Momentum indicator has just given a buy signal. It's a fresh buy signal, so it's a good stock to go long. Support would be around 274 and 265. Resistance would be around 291 and 302. So overall friends, in the short term I'll be expecting a bounce till 5700, but overall the medium term outlook is negative. Thank you so much.